In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor in Shopify. Adding vendors is a simple but powerful way to keep your products organized, especially if you work with multiple suppliers or brands. Vendors can help you filter products, run reports, and manage inventory more efficiently. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step and explain what's happening along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Shopify dashboard. This is your central control panel, where you can manage everything from orders and customers to products and settings. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This will open the Products page, where you can see a list of all the items currently in your store. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar at the top or the filters to quickly find the one you're interested in. Next, click on the specific product that you'd like to assign a new vendor to. This will take you into that product's details page. Here, you can edit things like the title, description, pricing, inventory, and more. Scroll down the product page until you find the section that contains the vendor field. This is usually located in the product organization area, along with other fields like product type, collections, and tags. In the vendor field, type the name of the new vendor you want to add. If the vendor doesn't already exist in your store, simply entering the name here will create it as a new vendor record when you save. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the vendor name. Consistent naming is important because Shopify groups products by exact vendor names. For example, Acme Co. and Acme Company would be treated as two different vendors. Once you've entered the correct vendor name, go to the top or bottom right corner of the page and click the Save button. Saving is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't be applied. After you click Save, Shopify will update the product and officially link it to that vendor. From now on, you'll be able to filter products by this vendor and use it in your store organization and reporting.